my name's Paige. I'm 26 years old and I am from the Midwest. I have been doing keto for about 2.5 years now. I did have a little break in between there because I did get pregnant. And I tried to be keto, but it's really hard. I started keto in June of 2017. I had tried like every fad diet there is out there, every meal planning, just calorie counting. I had tried buying meals that are already made for you, everything. But one thing I had not tried was low carb. And so I decided to give keto a try. I jumped right in and I started seeing the weight loss come off, my energy go up. It was awesome. So I have stuck with it. I think it's an easy lifestyle to stick with. I don't like calling it a diet because I plan to eat keto the rest of my life. But I do believe that it is something that is very attainable, especially for me. I do like cream cheese and things like that that are bad on other diets. But actually, fat is good for you. Fat helps your brain. It gives you energy. It sustains your blood sugar. When you eat carbs, your blood sugar goes up and down and up and down. So that's not good, and it doesn't make you feel good. So I feel great on keto. The first time I did keto, I lost about 40 pounds, and then I got pregnant. I did gain 60 pounds in my pregnancy, and I am now down 45 of that 60. So I'm hoping to lose the rest, and I am using the Kiss My Keto products to help me in that process. So a couple of my favorite products are the electrolyte tabs because I can just pop them. I don't really like things you have to mix in a drink. So I can just pop an electrolyte tab. It gets rid of my headache if I have one. I really, really love the Kiss My Keto ketogenic bars. The peanut butter chocolate is my favorite. It tastes exactly like Reese's peanut butter cups. Exactly. And it is so good. I'm waiting for the ketogenic chocolate to show up at my doorstep anytime now. And then I also like to use the exogenous ketones with electrolyte powder because sometimes you just need that energy boost, and I'm trying to stay away from a whole lot of caffeine. And so I really like the powder. I just put in a little bit of water and down it, and I've been using it as a pre-workout as well. I also love keto because I'm a nurse. I work in oncology, and I'm researching and seeing how carbs play a role in our body and how they feed our cells and sometimes even feed bad cells. So I think it's all just super interesting, and I am so thankful that I found a company like Kiss My Keto that has products that they back and that I can back, and I am a person who will not back just any product that I try. I have to truly use this product and love this product, and Kiss My Keto is one of those companies that I use their products. I love their products, and I'm going to continue using their products.